Alan Knuckman joins us now for the weekly options alert. Hello to you, Alan.
Good morning, Ange.
So what do you think of the market action?
Keeps going and going. I'm paying attention to gold, though. It's quietly sneaking up to $1,300 an ounce once again. That was a high in April and June, so let's see if it can punch through this time.
Do you see a golden opportunity for
yourself?
yourself?
I'm looking at a golden play here, Barrick Gold, using my WPI. I saw some smart money flows, bullish flows into ABX. So ABX has been trading between 15 and 20 in 2017. If it can get above 1750, then it looks like it's going to fill that gap at 18.
Anything else we need to know about this trade?
Well, what I'm looking at is a weekly options play. So it's a weekly, not for this Friday, but for Friday next. So the August 11th, $16 call, looking for ABX to take off from here.
Now, last week you talked about Micron Technology. How's that trade doing?
Didn't follow through, didn't pop through, so we exited with a loss, moving on to some new things, and I think gold is where it's at.
There you go. And not too long ago you talked about Apple.
Yeah, we did very well with our Apple trade, so that's the idea. We're looking for short-term bursts on the smart money side.
Before you take off, we'd love to get your 3 trading floor takeaways.
All right, 3 things once again. So the first one, we're getting real returns. So revenue this quarter is the big deal. 75% of companies in the S&P have beat on revenue, which is very important because you can't invent revenue numbers. That's the money coming in, so corporations are doing very, very well. And the next one is, all this has happened in the stock market. This huge run-up, this huge rally has happened really without Apple. So you've seen new highs in the S&P and in the Dow, and Apple's been left behind. Now, earnings are out, and the markets had expected or priced in a 4% measure move. So we'll see what happens when the open comes, but not a big move expected in the markets.
And your third takeaway has to do with the Fed.
And lastly, no rate change in 2017. Let's take that off the table. The market's telling us it's not going to happen. There's only a 50-50 chance that there'll be a rate hike in January of 2018, so that should keep the dollar low and keep some of these other markets like oil and gold stabilized.
Thank you for your trader talk. We'll see you here next week, Alan.
Thank you.